Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we have listed the top 6 60% keyboards in 2021. Let's get started. Ducky One 2. Our list begins with the Ducky One 2. This Ducky One 2 is a versatile keyboard that's available in different sizes and Cherry MX switches. Its body is made out of solid plastic that doesn't flex all that much, as well as its double-shot PBT keycaps are also of good quality and will feel pleasant to touch. Its Cherry MX brown switches offer an outstanding typing quality, while its PBT keycaps are comfortable and with brown switches provide enough tactile feedback which will let you know when you actuate a key. Its keys are well spaced out, which helps reduce typos, and even though it doesn't have a wrist rest, typing on this keyboard still feels comfortable. In all, this Ducky One 2 RGB TKL is an excellent keyboard for office use, and with the Cherry MX brown switches on this unit, typing quality is outstanding and quiet and also doesn't bother those around you. And Pro 2. The And Pro 2 is a wireless 60% keyboard that offers a solid typing experience with great software for customization. If you value wireless or infinite key mapping, then this And Pro 2 will be likely a better option. By design, it has a standard 60% design with an ABS plastic high-profile case, while the side bezels on the case are thin with a small clearance between the caps and the wall of the case. Its white steel plate works well by reflecting the RGB LEDs of the keyboard. And on the back of the case, it houses 4 rubber strip feet, an And Pro logo, and the number 01 with a flip switch for wireless power. Packed in with a 1900 mAh battery, it is rated for about 8 hours of constant wireless usage. While on regular usage, you will be able to get a week out of this keyboard before recharging. And along with that, its Bluetooth 5.0 chip will allow you to connect to up to 4 devices simultaneously. Coming pre-installed with a large selection of switch options includes Cherry, Calebox, or Gatoron in red, blue, or brown. And for the keycaps, the materials used on the keycap are top-notch. Razer Huntsman Mini. Next is Razer Huntsman Mini. Huntsman Mini comes with software customization, PBT keycaps, and a superb linear switch option. By design, it has a straightforward design, and its 60% case is low profile in design, with an aluminum top plate, while the rest of the case is ABS plastic. The keyboard has 2 color options, white mercury or a more traditional black. Like the Huntsman TE, this keyboard also has 2 feet height options at 6 and 9 degrees, in which both heights are comfortable to use for prolonged periods. And the levels of feet are coated with rubber, which does some work in preventing slippage. Its white plate does show off the RGB in this case, a little better than the black plate. And on top of the keyboard, it houses an off-center USB-C port. In all, this Razer Huntsman Mini is one of the best 60% gaming keyboards available on the market. And it also offers a very competitive alternative with good customization options via fully fledged software. Kraken Pro 60. This Kraken Pro 60 is one of the best 60% keyboards for PC, Xbox, and PS4 gamers. It features a high-rated Gatoron mechanical optical switches, a braided black USB-C keyboard cable, a sleek black keyboard shell, and more. It houses the Gatoron mechanical optical switches in brown, red, blue, or silver speed. While their red is a prevalent switch, which requires 45 grams of force to actuate, and the light touch makes them a good choice for both gaming and typing. Its browns are tactile switches that require 45 grams of force to activate, as they don't make much sound and spring back very quickly after the actualization. And the blues are clicky switches that make audible clicking noises every time you depress them. And finally, like reds, silvers are linear switches that require 45 grams of actualization force. But unlike reds, they travel only 1.2 millimeters rather than the standard 2 millimeters. Vortex Gear Race 3. This Vortex Race 3 is a mechanical keyboard that stands out for its unique design. Its case is entirely in plain aluminum, allowing the Cherry MX switches to be proudly displayed. The Cherry MX brown switches are tactile style switches with a bump along the travel path that provides confirmation every time a key press is registered, while its RGBY modifier keycaps can give your keyboard a splash of color. Coming to the PBT dye sublimated keycap with the vintage gray colorway, it features a dye sublimated legend on the top, while the side printed legends offer a look at the functionality of the other layers. Its package comprises 2 self-screwing elevator pads, a detachable USB cable, and 2 sets of additional keys. And these keys will allow you to connect seamlessly with Mac OS and enable the RGBY backlighting without any hassle. Dyra DKX1E. Last on our list is the Dyra DKX1E. This mechanical keyboard comes in a perfect size that's good for home as well as office use. Without a numpad, it is more practical for gamers and typists to give more space to your desktop. And in terms of design, it is a simple keyboard, as its legends on the alphabet keys are the perfect font. It has 5 different RGB pre-programmed effects that could be switched by pressing the FN plus bracket button, while its 5 different modes comprise a full green RGB cycling spectrum, windmill, and a glorious waterfall top to the bottom. Its ergonomically designed keycaps can reduce fatigue during a long period of play, and with the special padding on the keyboard, it will offer added stability, while its IPX4 feature will let you enjoy food and drinks more freely, as it will be effortless to clean the keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you'd like to hear more from us, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.